Over the past century, burning of fossil fuels and other human and natural activities has released enormous amounts of heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. These emissions have caused the Earth's surface temperature to rise, and the oceans absorb about 80% of this additional heat. This has resulted to sea levels rising by about 8 inches, with a thaw of ice from Greenland to the Antarctica, spilling water into the oceans. The consequences include destructive erosion, more powerful storm surges, wetland flooding, soil contamination, as well as lost habitat for fish, birds and plants. Many say this is a terrifying trend.
The Earth is getting warmer. There's millions and millions of tons of massive ice caps in certain segments of the world. Because of the warmth, those ice caps are melting, and as they melt, they're raising the sea levels. And also, when you heat water, it expands. So, sea levels are rising, and we can only sustain a certain amount of this sea level rising before we start having catastrophic consequences.
So sea levels will rise simply because there's more precipitation, the ice is melting, we're getting hotter summers, we're getting stronger hurricanes, and in fact now hurricanes are becoming so severe that they're having to classify another level of hurricanes. I mean, how scary is that?
Sure, well, the danger is immense. I mean, the danger is about flooding and losing our cities, and with that means people's homes, people's access to basic services. People find themselves homeless, suffering from malaria, other diseases, not able to look after themselves.
Well, it troubles me because I'm in Lagos. Lagos would get swallowed up if things are not, and we're talking about intense rainfall, we're talking about flooding that's blocking the pipeways, the gutters and all. We're talking about marine pollution in the ocean.
Experts say a stable climate is a vital foundation for all life on Earth. So all hands must be on deck.
The people that are affected by the impacts of the issues, the challenges that we have, they are taking these issues seriously. However, our government, policymakers, who can do a lot more than what they are doing to help address these issues.
You just look at the environment and you see the different things happening. You want to do something and you want to make a difference.
Environmentalists are of the view that to adequately address this crisis, we must urgently reduce carbon pollution and prepare for the consequences of global warming, which we are already experiencing. Vivian Oguche for STV News.